Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Make sure Windows 10 or 11 is up to date, Steam is installed, and you have a USB-C cable for firmware checks. Next, update the DualSense firmware on a PlayStation or using a PC tool. This ensures haptic drivers work. Once done, install DS4 Windows V3 or newer and enable HID report pass-through in its settings so Windows accepts full haptic data. Now plug the controller via USB-C. Don't pair wirelessly yet. This first wired connection registers device capabilities. Once the controller is registered, configure the software to pass haptic signals. In DS4 Windows, pick a DualSense profile and toggle haptic and adaptive trigger options. This instructs Windows to forward the controller's proprietary reports. Alternatively, open Steam Big Picture, enable PlayStation configuration support, and set controller layout to use native features. Then calibrate dead zones and vibration intensity. This balances game feedback versus noise. Test haptics using Steam Input's test patterns or DS4 Windows diagnostics, so you can see and feel each motor and trigger response before going wireless. To finish, pair the DualSense over Bluetooth. Remove it from devices if previously paired, hold Create plus PS until pairing mode appears, then connect in Windows Bluetooth. Make sure DS4 Windows or Steam remains running so haptic reports stay active. If haptics stop or are weak, reconnect via USB, re-enable HID report pass-through, then repair Bluetooth. This often resets driver negotiation. And remember, for consistent haptic fidelity and lowest latency, use the USB-C cable. Otherwise,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.